Hey guys, okay, so sorry the lighting is bad, but it's raining and it's been raining since yesterday. It's actually been raining a lot here lately, so yeah, but the lighting is bad because I don't have very good lighting in my house really, but yeah, it's raining, it's storming bad. The grass looks really good though, so I'm gonna let my dogs out real quick. I have to run to town. I need to get stuff for biscuits and gravy because the BBF and Hunter are coming over tonight. So today's video is gonna be just like a day in the life. I was supposed to film a back to school morning routine type deal. Well, it's week 1 of school and we're not really in a routine. I mean, my kids know what to do, so it's not like anything different. But I'll just film it like Tuesday or something. But so, day in the life of a stay-at-home mom. So, what is today's agenda? I need to go pick up this dresser thing that I got. And then I've got to go pick up Aubrey's new bed and a coffee table. And then I need to film me cleaning my garage. Hunter and BBF are coming over. Hunter wants to be on YouTube, so I figured we'll just do a day in the life and then he can just be in it in the vlog today. So yeah, but right now I'm currently just waiting on my dogs to hurry up and get done because they gotta go back in the crate, and then I'm gonna be off to town. So oh, I've got to go to Walmart. Did I say that? I've got to go to Walmart and get biscuits and gravy stuff. I think I did say that. I don't know. Anyway. Alright, my dogs need to hurry up. Hey guys, so totally forgot that I was YouTubing today, but I went to Walmart and then I just met that lady for this cabinet. Guys, it's gonna go perfect in my craft room, and I can paint it and it can hide some of my stuff. And I can get rid of those, well, not get rid, but I can do something else with those plastic ones that are not holding up. Oh, I'm so excited. It's cute too. I think I'll paint it something else. I'm not too fond of that light blue, but I think I'll just chalk paint the color of my desk and then might distress it maybe, or just put the antiquing wax on it. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. But I'm excited. And I gotta go get Aubrey's bed, and it's just like a headboard, footboard, and then sorry, my feathers are and then a coffee table. So, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that stuff. I'm obsessed with furniture now, but with the flood, I lost a lot of my furniture, so yeah, like literally it tore my furniture up. My dresser was like, came out. If I still have the pictures, I'll insert a picture right here, but yeah. But I'm starving. I'm going to Sonic and getting me a cheeseburger and a pretzel stick with some cheese and a water. But I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. So, day in the life. I put on my Facebook, my like personal Facebook, that I was going through all of this. And I'm going to put pictures of it. And they can take it. Yeah. So, I'm going to do that. I'm not going to include that in the garage stuff because it's different, I feel like. But it's all the stuff that I've already gotten rid of. But, yeah. So, that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to put it in this. I'm just updating you on what I'm doing. There's Hunter. But, oh, and there's the bed I got for Aubrey. Oh, I got this coffee table. I'll show you that. Put my tablet down. Tablet for music. There's the coffee table. It's really cute. And then, you ready for my craft cabinet? Guys. Yeah. And these are drawers. Yeah. I need to level it out, but oh yeah. I'm so excited. I need to put like something underneath it to level it out. Napkins. Come on, Hunter. Come outside. Come on, buddy. I want to shut my door. Come on, Hunter. They bug me all the time to go outside. Come here. Come here. Hi, Hunter boy. Look at that baby boy. He's mama's boy. Alright, so reason why I'm not putting it because I record on my phone. I need my phone to take the pictures as the stuff I go through. So, see you guys in a little bit. Okay, guys. I keep forgetting that I'm still doing a day in the life. Just did my garage and stuff video. You guys will see it if you haven't. Look at this. It looks okay. That shot does not look. From my point of view and how I've seen it for the past like 2 months, it looks a lot better. Hey guys, who is this?
Hi, I'm Hunter. I'm with Aubrey and Jake. He's behind me.
Where are we going?
We're going to go eat.
Mexican! Yeah, I was gonna make biscuits and gravy, but everybody, when they were on their way here, I was like, "Bah." And I was like, BBF, I've got a question. Can we eat out? That's what she asked me, and I was like, that's why you're my BBF. Right, Hunter?
Mm-hmm.
What am I?
My stepmom.
The best stepmom ever.
Yeah.
Because why?
Because you're on YouTube.
And why? What's my name? Hashtag
Ashley.
The homemaker.
Homemaker.
Alright. We'll check in when we eat Mexican food. Can you dance for me? At the Mexican restaurant?
I hate doing that.
Dog people. Kids table. Kids table. Woo-hoo. How good was Mexican?
Good.
Aubrey, where are you? Here she is.
It's okay. Oh well.
I have one thing to say to your YouTubers. America. Yeah.
She gets it from her BBF.
Yeah.
That's how we do.
America, you.
That's how us Billy is run around.
America, you.
Raise them right. Hashtag raise them right.